Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this freehand and nail dot design. So I'm going to use this pearly purple by Sinful Colors called Zoned Out and black by Sinful Colors called Black on Black. So I already painted my nails with the purple polish, and I'm going to use the black polish to paint in an angle the top of my nails. You can use any color combo you want. I just want to use these colors. Then using my nail striper, I'm just going to do some semicircles. When I did this design, I just thought of a nail stamp look. I wanted to play with the eyes and do colors going through each other so that you'll be like, is the polish really black or blue? You know, like the base colors and stuff like that. Once I was done, I'm going to just dot in the middle of the little semicircles with black polish. I just thought it was really cute. Kind of gives it like a little lacy design also. Then I'm going to apply some dots of the purple in the black. And like I said, I wanted it to mess with your mind kind of. Like the polishes are coming through, so you don't really know which color is really the base color. That's just how I thought. That's my crazy mind. Then I'm going to just add some black dots in the middle of the purple dots. Like I said, you can use any color combo you want, but I recently purchased the purple and I just thought it would look perfect with a black design. It kind of gave it a simpler look. Then I'm just going to add some dots around the little semicircles. You know, you don't have to add that, but I just thought adding the little dots in the semicircles just brought it all together. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching.